gonna start tonight to make this little beautiful piece, which involves a lot more welding for you to practice on a TIG welding. I already cut my 8 little pieces, 100 mil at the base, the bottom, by 150. It's a triangle. I cut 8 of them, 100 by 150 height. I also cut my 2 bases, top and bottom, two little bits, 100 by 100 squares, and I intend to put them together to achieve this little beautiful shape. It will be a beautiful opportunity for you to practice TIG welding all over and to put together these bits. For this to say, I'll start with my triangles. I also say it will be good for you to start with the triangles together, having one up, one down, one up, one down. Therefore, don't forget the main safety rules. Use your gloves and use your helmet. My preferable and my favorite helmet, Optrel. You got any other brand, doesn't make any difference as long as you can do the job. So I'm gonna put them together, just small little tacks. Do not forget the gas, do not forget to sharpen your little tungsten, and do not forget to put the earth on the bench. You might gonna get a little bit squeezed. So I advise you to have these little bits, half and half of the thickness, as much you can. Little tacks, I'm using about 88 amps. For my hand, it's pretty good. For your hand, might be too high. You adjust your welder. First 2 bits, they look like this. We're gonna keep going and we're gonna have the opposite sides. So we're gonna pull the triangles. As I said, you need 8 triangles. The height, it's up to you. I'm gonna show you what you can do out of this weird shape for your home decoration, and involves a lot of welding, a lot of practice. You really can practice. It's not easy. Make little tacks so you can open it accordingly, because you're gonna have a square at the top, a square at the bottom, so you're gonna need to open it. Your tacks should be just soft, so you can open and keep going. Use your little bench so you can have a flat surface for your little bits. This is a beautiful project for you to practice welding, especially TIG welding. Put your bits together very careful. Make sure they half and half of the thickness. use your helmet, not like me. If you are scared, your eyes will be red. Slowly we get in there. There's a lot of more bits to be added together. They 8 all together. 8 triangles. You can expand the idea on a bigger size. Make a plinth to hold your TV or some flowers. So do not be scared if your bits are too tight, just open them up. 2 more to go. We're getting close to our final shape. If you get a situation like this, just break it up, put it back again. There's no problem, nobody cries. Tacking together these bits will be the main thing. The way you tack them will help you out to weld. One more bit. We're just about to finish and finalize and getting close to something beautiful. This is probably the hardest point. I have chosen a different way to do it tonight. Starting with the triangles. Choose your position of welding suitable for you. Alrighty, just a bit. Now, it's not a perfect, but just try. Squeeze it a little bit. Check the sizes here. You can use a tape measure if you want to get sophisticated. And you got your own vise. Just fix it a little bit. And there we are. Now we're going to cap them. Cap this little project with the squares I said, 100 by 100. Cap every single one end, and you're gonna achieve this one at the end while you finish welding. It will be a good project for you to weld all these sizes, add a bit of wire, get a fuse, every sort of TIG welding. I'm gonna start welding them and I'm gonna show you later on how does it look. So here I am capping it, and this is what I expanded and I came up from this little idea. I made a little plinth for my home decoration to hold a TV.